Hello everyone, welcome back to Phonics lesson 5. Today we're going to be learning the next 3 sounds, which are B, F, E. So we're going to recap the previous sounds and then go and learn the new sounds. M, A, S, D, T, E, N, P, O, G, K, 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 A. Well done. Good recapping. Now, are you ready to learn the new sounds? Let's go. B, B, B. Are you ready to write it down? Let's go. Get your finger ready. We're going to start from the top, all the way down, halfway up, and then round. Well done. Let's try it again. We're going to start from the top, all the way down, halfway up, then round. Well done. Now we're going to look at the things that begins with B. B, B, bat. B, B, ball. B, B, box. B, B, bin. F, f. Are you ready to write the F sound? Okay, get your finger ready and we're going to write the F sound in the air. So we're going to start from the top, give it a little curve, then all the way down, and then across. Well done. Shall we write it again? Again, we're going to start from the top, give it a little curve, all the way down, and then across. Fantastic. Well done. Let's find things that begins with F, F. F, F, fan. F, F, fire. F, F, fish. F, F, fox. E, E. Are you ready to write the E sound? Okay, get your finger ready. This time we're going to start from the middle. We're going to go across, over, then down and give it a curl. Let's write it again. That's from the middle, across, and then we're going to go over, down and give it a curl. Well done. Now let's find things that begins with E. E, eggs. E, elephant. E, exit. E, elbow. Now it's your turn to say the new sounds. Are you ready? Let's go. Say the sound. Well done. B, B. Say the sound. Well done. F, f. Say the sound. Well done. E, e. Well done, everyone. Let's use the sounds to read the words now. You ready? Let's go. A, n, a, n, an. A, n, d, a, and. B, E, N, B, E, N, bin. B, E, D, B, E, D, bed. L, E, G, L, E, G, leg. L, E, T, L, E, T, let. D, E, G, D, E, G, dig. F, A, N, F, A, N, fun. F, E, T, F, it, fit. F, A, T, F, A, T, fat. M, E, T, M, E, T, met. Well done, everyone. Super listening. Now it's your turn to say the sound and read the words. Let's go. Well done. An. Well done. And. Well done. Bin. Bin. Well done. Bed. Bed. Well done. Leg. Leg. Well done. Let. Let. Well done. Dig. Dig. Well done. Fun. Well done. It. Fit. Well done. Fat. Fat. Well done. Met. Well done, everyone. Good reading. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.